Welcome back, y'all. I'm Bubby. This is Bubby's Fab Shop, and I am headed about 3.5 hours or so away. I am headed to pick up a JDsquared pipe bender for doing roll cages and bending up whatever you can possibly think of. I'm headed over here, and I'm going to pick this thing up. It's probably just going to be a quick video, and then I'm going to probably run through, a few things of what I could do and everything. I've been needing one of these things for a while, just doing miscellaneous jobs here and there, and I may have to tweak some bars, or I can just bend up my own bars. But we are needing it for the S10, my personal S10 project, to run the two new bars out the firewall down to the front of the K-member. So we are headed there to pick this thing up, and I'll kind of update y'all once we get back and kind of get this thing unloaded or whatnot, or whatever we can figure out. So yeah, rock and roll. Well, I made it home, guys. Super dark outside, and pipe, about a long piece of pipe sticking out there. We made it home, and finna get a shower and get in bed. Whew. It was a good little drive. Wore out. A new tool for the shop, and it's definitely gonna be a learning curve for me. But I picked up JDsquared Model 4 Revision 2. Tubing bender, and I think it's gonna definitely be pretty awesome. Come with quite a few dies. It's got the air over hydraulic, so yeah, this is gonna be a learning curve for us. I got to clean it up, and we're gonna try to get this thing taken off the truck. And he gave me some pipe with it, with a couple of dies. I can use that pipe and just try to figure this stuff out. Like I say, it's definitely going to be a learning curve for me on that. From an old manual style bender, I guess, I used a long time ago, which was one of my buddies. But this right here should pretty much do everything that I need to do anyways. But yeah, this is we're gonna get this thing off the truck and get it all cleaned up and get it back and try it out. So I got my old vise. I picked this thing up. It is a Chase Parker Company, USA, and it is, oh sorry, let me do it like this, but you just have to do it. So number 288.5, and as y'all seen, we did get this thing inside the shop, got it unloaded off the truck. I'm gonna get this thing cleaned up. It's a little rusty, hasn't been used in a while, but it come with a really nice notcher, pretty nice notcher, at least anyways. Cool table, couple different dies. We're gonna get this thing taken apart and get it all cleaned up and get this thing to use. Again, it's not a lot of content. We're trying to get a few things done at the shop, but we're fixing to get back rolling after all the holidays and everything else. And today is actually my anniversary, so I'm going to take my wife out to eat somewhere, and yeah, rock and roll. Y'all like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.